lot of exciting stuff. So last year we raised our capital, we raised $50 million in funding. We hired over 100 full-time employees. So we built a team to scale, to be able to handle large projects and more and more features for our clients.
Yeah, really excited about what we're delivering on for the energy operating system, which we define as carbon, reserves, and development planning all in one system. So what we're doing and executing on over the next 12 to 18 months is hardening the core platform, making carbon as efficient as possible so operators can make their net decisions really quickly, and also making sure we have that optimization from a development planning perspective in. So really pumped about that. We've met a lot of great clients and have had a lot of success working here, and also learn a lot from the conferences. So it's been an amazing experience with you guys.
This year, obviously, we continue improving our core product, which is economics, and the forecasting. We released our carbon module last year, and there's going to be more and more features coming around the carbon emission forecasting and the strategies that will help you to reduce your emission. And scheduling planning, being able to plan your future locations more effectively and deploy capital across your asset more effectively. It's integrating emission strategies and economics all in one place. So a lot of bells and whistles coming this year, so it's very, very exciting.
It's all about optimizing what you have and what you're going to do from an M&A side. So being able to have that fully integrated in our energy operating system is key for continued success, and also making the operators' lives a lot easier when it comes to development, and also for our banks and all the mineral companies, everybody that's in this energy ecosystem, to make their lives better and more efficient, to make quicker decisions and be efficient from a capital perspective.